I got this video gate rolling about this time. I got this video gate rolling right about this time. Old cricket around these Carolinas. I'm working this small station. My little old beat up Browning. Working the video gate. Top of the afternoon time around the band. Old cricket with the gate rolling. Come on, let's go.
Hey, cricket shotgun. Hey, cricket shotgun. Heidelberg, Mississippi. Yeah, he wanted to call me and say, who stayed out of ghost talking to him? You got me sitting locked down now, thinking, don't do it.
I think he said shotgun. I believe he said shotgun around Mississippi. Hello, shotgun around Mississippi. Well, I got the gate rolling. Old cricket around these Carolinas standing by.
Hey, cricket, I hope I was quick enough, man. Hey, cricket, I hope I was quick enough to get it down. So I can get on that video game on your end, no doubt about it, man. Happy Mother's Day, Jim. Almost have shotgun in Heidelberg, Mississippi. People Halloween one. People thought we were dead.
Hey, shotgun, I definitely got you on the gate. Hey, shotgun, I definitely got you on the gate. I'll let everybody know. It's at Scott Space Cricket on YouTube. It's going to be under Scott SCOTT Space Cricket on YouTube. Hello, shotgun. Well, I got you on the gate. I'm going to get back to rolling on. Shotgun, your cricket around these Carolinas standing by. I want the big old stations to key up and clean out my receive. I need some big old stations to key up and clean out my receive while I'm rolling this video gate. Old cricket around these Carolinas. Working this beat up brown and I'm standing by. Hey, Snake Doctor. Hey, Snake Doctor. You gonna clean up my receive? Hey, Snake Doctor, come on back. Clean out my receive. Old cricket standing by. Hey, Snake Doctor, you sound a whole bunch of good around these Carolinas. I'm going to keep on rolling this video gate. Make sure each and everybody gets their opportunity to see what they sound like in my receive around these Carolinas. Old Space Cricket. Working my beat up Browning in this rickety old ground plane. I'm standing by.
I appreciate it, no doubt about that, big brother. Hey, Cricket, around the Carolina, no Snake Doctor one. Thank you, man. Hey, thank you for how you get back, Cricket. Snake Doctor, South of Chicago.
That's a big 410. Alrighty, Snake Doctor. 73s to you and yours, from me and mine. Like I said, you can check it out on Scott. That's SOTT Space Cricket on YouTube. Snake Doctor, until we do it again, have yourself a super fine one. 73s to you and yours, from me and mine. And tell the missus I said Happy Mother's Day. Hey, Snake Doctor, have yourself a super fine one. We'll see you now. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.
I'm playing on these right quiet. Hey, Cricket, welcome to the weekend. Cricket, Snake Doctor, shot down Chicago. Cricket. Oh,
I gotta tell you one more time, man. You sound so good in my receive right now. Hey, Snake Doctor. That Chicago station sounds a whole heap of a lot of good around these kakalakis. And when I get to Chicago and I get to visiting, we'll sit down and eat one of them thick old pizzas together. Hey, Snake Doctor. Take care of yourself. I'm gone now.
Hey, Crooked. You say you gone now? Get out of here too, Crooked. Snake Doctor don't get out of here too for somebody knock. Get out of my britches. Pick up, Crooked. In the Carolinas, those Snake Doctor Chicago is gone.
And I saw ya. Click, click, check, check.
112, Central Michigan. Hey, good afternoon to you. 112, Michigan. These sugar bitches in Chicago, we gonna get on out of here because our people will be doing their thing. Hey, we getting out of here, we go.
Hey, Sugar Britches. Hey, Sugar Britches. You be stroking around these Carolinas. I got you on the video gate. Hey, Sugar Britches. Around Chicago. Old Cricket around these Carolinas, letting you know you sound a whole bunch of good in my radio. Sugar Britches, Cricket standing by.
Hey, Cricket. I wonder what color those britches are, man. What color those britches are? Shotgun, we get on. I want to know what color those britches are, man. Hey, Cricket, shotgun, I didn't know you breaking.
Hey, Shotgun, I just talked to who my radio tells me to. I'll tell you something. Old Sugar Britches came in there and cleaned out my receive, but boom, gone now. But hey, Shotgun, man, I'll tell you something. You came in there and took over my receive like a damn local. Sure enough, this video gate's still rolling. Old Cricket around the Carolinas, I'm standing by. Well, I got about even numbers on both of yous on that one. Hey, Sugar Britches, I appreciate getting back. And hey, Shotgun, I might have to title this video gate a whole bunch of shotgun in my receive. Cause you're taking over my receive. Hey, Shotgun, around Chicago, working that big old bad station. And Sugar Britches, you ain't nothing to be messing with. Sugar Britches, Shotgun, Cricket around the Carolinas, rolling this gate, and I'm standing by. Hey, Shotgun, I know I said Chicago, but I meant Mississippi. I believe Sugar Britches is sitting around Chicago somewhere. But hey, Shotgun, I think I'm going to have to title this video gate All Shotgun. There's a whole bunch of stations keying up and making all kinds of noise, but Shotgun, you got my receive. Completely. Shotgun, Cricket, rolling this video gate, and I'm standing by. Say something, man. Conditions are definitely changing up. Conditions are definitely changing up. I got a whole heap of a lot of noise in my receive right about this time. Let me say it again, I'm rolling the video gate. You can check it out on Scott Space Cricket on YouTube. I'm rolling this video gate. I want some stations to key up and clean out my receive. I ain't heard nothing but shotgun so far and some sugar britches. I want some stations to key up. I want to hear some names. While I'm rolling this video gate around these Carolinas, old Cricket standing by.
Yeah, folks. Hey, Cricket, you got somebody on the video game, man. Hey, Cricket, you got somebody on the video game. Man, I'm here in Chicago. You get the I want to know if you can hit number 9 up here in Illinois. Number 9. Mississippi. Well, who is Triple Deuce? Triple Deuce? I don't know who Triple Deuce. I know Triple Deuce up there in T.O. That's the one that's in that.
I heard number 9. Hey, number 9. Hey, number 9. Come on back with all that audio. Number 9, your Cricket around these Carolinas. Rolling the gate and I'm standing by.
You do likewise on that end, and we'll put on you later, Motor Gator. Your number 9 downtown Chicago is back out. But
Well, I'm going to try and kick it back to number 9 again, because you sounded a whole bunch of good in my receive. Hey, number 9. Cricket around these Carolinas. Rolling the video gate. Will you clean out my receive? Hey, number 9 around Chicago. Your Cricket around the Carolinas. I'm standing by. Hey, number 9. It's getting real messy on this end, but I heard you kicking it back. Hey, number 9. Number 9. Number 9. I got you on the video gate, no doubt about it. Number 9, your Cricket around these Carolinas waving right back.
Alright then, Cricket, real sorry. You say you got me on the video gate. I want to keep bumping down and say get out to no time. On the 29. On number 9, Chicago is back out. Have a good day.
Alrighty, number 9, you do the same. You have a good day. 73s to you and yours from me and mine. Number 9, well, I got you on the gate. We'll catch you later. Number 9, your Cricket's gone. Hey, 219, you said you want in on this video gate? Hey, 219, you say you want in on this video gate. 219, your Cricket around the Carolinas saying I heard it all because you said it all. 219, come on.
Yeah, that's right. I like getting on them video games. What the hell about it? 219 Northeast Arkansas here in my little bitty radio.
410 on the Arkansas. That's a big 410 on the Arkansas. 419, you sound a whole bunch of good around these Carolinas. Me and my beat up Browning in my rickety old ground plane. They call me Cricket, and I'm standing by. I'm going to roll this thing for about 2 more minutes. I'm going to roll this thing for about 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to post it up on YouTube. Top of the afternoon time. Hope you all enjoy this weekend, and happy Mother's Day around the band to all them sweet mamas. Old Cricket Rolling the video gate. Standing by. I hear that skip shooter in the mobile. I hear that skip shooter in the mobile. I got about another minute of gate. About one more minute of video gate. Hello, skip shooter in the mobile. Cricket around these Carolinas. Standing by. Howdy, skip shooter. Hey, skip shooter. They call me Cricket around these Carolinas. I just want to let you know you sound a whole bunch of good over here. Skip shooter, Cricket gone.
Hey, Shaker, Shake. Hey, Shaker, Choke Shane with the good afternoon wave. Shaker, Mother Day weekend.